Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiyah, aka Kiyah's Curls, and we are back at it again with another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, hey girl.
Made another one.
So let's just get right into this tutorial. So first, I already have my brows already on, and I'm going to be spraying my face with this Beauty Evolved Prep and Prime spray, and then using Makeup Forever's smoothing primer to smooth out my face and give me a good foundation. So now we're just going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set those areas on my face that I just primed. So I'm just taking my Real Techniques brush and and I'm just blending out the concealer that I used to conceal my brows with. And now I'm going to be mixing my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee and my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 360 Mocha, just to give my eye that kind of natural lid color, not so much like primed for for eyeshadow, but just like for a natural face. This is a everyday tutorial, so for a natural face. So now I'm just setting that powder on my lid, and then I'm going to blend out the foundation in the areas that I conceal in, kind of like a corrector, but it's just foundation. Alright you guys, so we're using Morphe's 39A palette, and I'm going in with that shade. And I'm using my Morphe M218 brush just to fluff that on my lid and bring back some brown. Now we're going in with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in the shade R530. And we're just putting that all over our face. And I'm going to blend it out. And I just spray my face again with a Prep and Prime spray. And I'm also using my Morphe M439 brush. And the glitter y'all see is glitter from my makeup bag. I wasted like loose glitter in my bag. So for a flawless finish, after I blend it out with the brush, I like to go in with a beauty blender. And this one specifically is from Real Techniques, and I just like to pounce that in all over my face. And then I'm going in with my NYX Case I Won't Stop concealer in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm just putting that under my eyes. And I also went in with ColourPop's concealer in the shade Dark 48, I believe, and put that on top just to highlight even more. So here I just went in with a regular blank brush, and I just kind of blended out those harsh lines around between my concealer and my foundation. So now I'm getting ready to set under the eyes. So I'm just going back in with that beauty blender and blending, making sure everything is blended back out. And then I'm going right on top with that setting powder, and I'm pressing it into my skin. So not really baking, but I'm just pressing it in. Alright you guys, so now we're digging back into that 39A palette, and we're taking that shade. I also mixed two other brown shades in there after that. But girl, do you see the difference in contouring? Like what? So yes, but yeah, I just took that shade, I'm just contoured, and now I'm just going under my eyes with this It Cosmetic brush, and I'm just like wiping away the excess powder that I had from sitting under my eyes and the rest of my face. And then I'm taking the same powder on the other end of that brush. I'm just kind of cutting under my contour so it can be more smashed. You know, this is an everyday beat face. This is not an everyday natural face. This is an everyday beat face. So we're gonna beat it, period. And I went off camera with this NYX white jumbo liner. And then I also bought this cat eye. I don't even know where, like literally from the drugstore, y'all. Like, just put that on. And then we're gonna pop some lashes on, and we're gonna be in this thing. Do you hear me? in this thing. Now I'm going back in with Covergirl, Easy Breezy Brow. I'm just putting that on my brow to put my hairs how I want them. And then we're wiping that powder away that we used to cut our contour. Now we're going in with Max Gold Deposit, and we're gonna put that on our cheeks and make them nice and glowy. Nothing too heavy because it's an everyday, but just, you know, a slight glow. And here I grabbed the shade Sunbeam from my Tarte palette. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but we're popping that in our inner corner and on our brow bone. Alright, moving on, we're just going in with NYX lip pencil in the shade Expresso, and then on top of that, I'm going to be using Anastasia's liquid lip in Sepia. So now that is it. Now just spray my face with Beauty Evolve's setting spray. And there we have our everyday beats look. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and make sure you please hit the subscribe button and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.